Hello everyone, my name is Tamer. This is Blackstone Bazaar. I just got this Blackstone griddle about a week ago, and today is my first time trying to season it. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the heat all the way up to high, wait about 10 minutes or so until we start to see some kind of discoloration on the cover here, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the seasoning for it. Now that 10 minutes have passed by, I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of oil. I'd say about 2 tablespoons. Just enough to kind of get it around. And then we're gonna take a cloth, just any like paper towel, and make sure to try to kind of distribute this all evenly. All throughout the griddle, to the sides. Again, then we're gonna let it sit for about another 10 minutes. Just let all that oil smoke up, as you can see here. Now that all the smoke has cleared up, we'll go ahead and add a little bit more oil, and just same thing, kind of rub it all around. The sides here too. The key here is to make sure the oil is distributed evenly. We're going to do the same thing, wait about another 10 minutes, let the oil dry up, and do the process one more time. As you guys can see, the Blackstone has already started to darken, so that's a really good indicator. One last time, a little bit more oil, and then spread it evenly. Make sure we get all the edges. As you guys can see, it's already darkened, but I like to do at least 3 times, just to make sure we got enough oil for it to be seasoned evenly. That's pretty much it now. You just let it cool down after this step, and then you should be able to cook your first meal. This is how you season your new Blackstone grill.